Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to create a meeting ID and password in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, we need to log in our account, and after that guys, we will go to the calendar options here in the left side. Okay, so go to that option. So as you can see on my calendar guys, I set a schedule or meeting schedule tomorrow, so you can also create a new one. Okay, so this one guys, all you need to do guys is to double click this one. Okay, so we just have to wait for a sec. So as you can see guys, the Microsoft Teams, so when you create a schedule for a meeting in any time, any day, the Microsoft Teams guys actually will generate a meeting ID and also a passcode for you. And this one guys, this meeting ID and passcode, you can share it to your participants in order for them to join the meeting. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.